Good morning.
Good morning, sir. What's your name, please?
My name is Johnson.
Thank you.
What's your name? Hello. I'm Francis Matthews. My name's Francis Matthews. Look. Francis Matthews. I'm Keith.
I'm Jane.
I'm Deanne.
I'm Raymond.
I'm Diana. My name's Diana.
And my name's Francis Matthews. Hello.
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 Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Look.
Oh, good morning. I'm Sam Smith. Sam Smith.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Follow me, please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your name, please?
Smith. My name's Smith.
Ah, yes. Mr. Sam Smith. Mr. Smith to see Mr. Jenkins.
Good evening, sir. What's your name, please?
My name's Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
What's your name?
Jane. My name's Jane.
Ah, yes. Jane. My name's Sam.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
What's your name, please? What's your name? What's your name, please?
My name's Smith. My name's Smith.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, please. 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 Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. What's your name, please? My name is Johnson.
Mr. Wise. Mr. Wise?
Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. I'm Mr. Wise.
Thank you, Mr. Wise.
Good evening.
Excuse me. Are you Mary Brown?
Yes, I'm Mary Brown. Are you Sam Smith?
No, I'm not. I'm not Sam Smith. I'm Francis Matthews.
Oh, sorry, Francis. Come in.
Hello. I'm Sam Smith.
Hello, Sam. Come in.
You're Jane.
Yes, I am. I'm Jane Black. And you're Sam Smith.
Yes, I am. I'm Sam Smith. Sam!
Hello, Francis.
Hello, Jane. Excuse me.
Excuse me, Mr. Smith.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you Mary Brown? Are you Mary Brown?
Yes, I am. I'm Mary Brown. I'm Mary Brown. Are you Sam Smith?
No, I'm not. I'm not Sam Smith. I'm not Sam Smith.
Sorry. Sorry.
Good morning. Good morning.
What's the time? Boys. It's much too early. Come on, go downstairs and get your dressing gown on. You get too cold. Go.
Harold, jump like a ball. No.
Boys, and I want you dressed.
My lazy bones. Tea. Tea.
Oh, right. Oh, just falling asleep. Thank you, darling.
Come on, up you get. It's getting late. There aren't any there. Shall I get some of the rest?
Sausage, please. Sausage.
What's the matter with your tie?
Can you do his tie up, darling? Can you do his tie up?
Yes, it's about time you did this yourself, you know.
There we are. Milk's in the jug.
Right, there we are. Not bad.
Darling, 1 egg or 2?
Just one, quickly, because I'm late.
You pour some tea out, please.
Okay. Thanks. Want that, Jamie? There you are, Robbie. No salt, again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 9,
9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.
O. 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 1, 4, 1, 5, 3, O, 2, 7.
Hello?
Hello. Is that 014153027?
No. This is 4153047.
Sorry.
That's £9.
10, sir.
No, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, sorry.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Pete.
Hello? Is that you, Roger? This is Mary.
Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. What's your name? My name's Smith. Excuse me? Are you Mary Brown? Yes, I'm Mary Brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.